Morning, dear students. This is lecture 2 on Boolean algebra, and today our topic is logic gates. Now, what are the logic gates? A gate is a circuit with one or more input signal but only one output signal. Okay, now student, we know that we can develop logic gate with the help of Boolean algebra. And what are these gate? These gate are the circuit which contain more than one input signal but there is only one output signal. Okay, a gate is a digital circuit because it can take only two values, that is 0 and 1. Okay, now so logic gates are sometimes called digital circuit also because they are taking only two values, 0 and 1, and 1 in representing the high and 0 is representing the low. Okay, so there are basically 7 gates: AND, OR and NOR. These are called basic gates, and NAND and NOR are called universal gates, and XOR and NOR are called exclusive. Okay, so there are basically 7 gates: AND, OR and NOT. These three are known as the basic gates. Then there are two more gates, NAND and NOR. This is the most important question. What are the universal gates? Then NAND and NOR are the universal gates. Why it is called universal gate? Because we can develop any sort of logic circuit, we can create any logic circuit with the help of NAND and NOR. That's why it is called universal gate, because we can create any kind of circuit with the help of universal gate. Now XOR and XNOR, these two gates are called exclusive gates. Okay, so once again I am revising it. AND, OR and NOT are called basic gates. NAND and NOR is called universal gate. Why it is called universal gate? Because we can develop any sort of logic circuit with the help of NAND and NOR. And XOR and NOR is known as exclusive gate. Okay, so our first gate is AND gate. Okay, so what is AND gate? AND gate returns true if and only if both inputs are true. Okay, now let us suppose I will say Ram and Shyam are going to market. Then what does it mean? Ram and Shyam both are going market. Okay, so it will AND gate will take both values. Okay, it required both values. Okay, so AND gate return true if and only if both values are true. Okay, so let us suppose A and B, these are two inputs, and if there are two inputs, then total number of possible combination are 2 to the power n. Okay, if so, how many total number of possible combination are 2 to the power n? If I have two input and here n is input. Okay, so if there are two input, then 2 to the power 2, then possible combination are 4. If we have three input A, B and C, then total number of combination are 2 to the power 3, that is 8. Here I have only two input values, A and B, so I will have only 4 possibility. And how can I write these possibility? I will write 0, 0, 1 and 1, then I will write 0, 1 and 0, 1. Okay, so this is the truth table I am creating here. This is the truth table because I am developing the result by taking all possible values. Okay, so here we know that what is AND gate? AND gate return true when both values are true. Okay, so when will be both values are true? in this case both values are true. So here only this is 1. Okay, so else all value will be 0. Okay, I will relate this truth table with this example also. Here Ram and Shyam both are not going to market. If so, then result will be 0. We know that Ram and Shyam are going to market. What does it mean? Both Ram and Shyam are going. Here Ram is not going market but Shyam is going market. Then this is also false. Here Ram is going market but Shyam is not going market. Then answer is 0. Here Ram and Shyam both are going market. Yes, this is the condition. Also here I will write 1, else all condition will be 0. All output will be 0. Okay. So here this is the truth table for AND gate. Now I will create what is the symbol of AND. This will be the symbol of AND. This is A, this is B, and this is Y. This will be the symbol of AND gate. Now, what is Boolean expression? Boolean expression for AND: A dot B equals to Y. Okay, Y equals to A dot B. It will be the Boolean expression. If I want to write AND gate with the help of Boolean expression, I will write A dot B. So it is indicating A and B. We are doing AND operation between A and B. Now circuit diagram. It will be like that. Here student, this is the circuit diagram. Now here if I connect this line, so here current will be flow from here to here, but after that it will be break because here B is not open. So to make this circuit complete, we have to join this also and this also. After that that circuit will be completed. Okay, so this is the logic circuit for AND gate. Now second gate is OR gate. Now first of all I will tell you what will be the symbol of OR gate. It will be like that. Here A and B are the input and Y is the output. Okay, now what is the Boolean expression? It will be A plus B. It is not addition, it is a OR operation. Here I can say that we are doing OR operation in between A and B. This is not plus. Okay, this is representing the OR operation. Okay, so here we can write Y equals to A or B. I am not pronouncing it plus because it is indicating the OR. Now its circuit diagram will be like okay, this is A and this is B. Okay, I will tell it, I will explain it later. First of all, I will create a truth table, and in this truth table I am taking 3 input A, B and C. Okay, now if there are 3 input is n. If n is 3, then how many possible combination are there? 2 to the power 3. So here possible combination will be 8. So how can I write it? 4 times 0. Okay, or here 4 times 1. Then 2 times 0, 2 times 1, 2 times 0, 2 times 1, 1 times 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. And here, although we have 3 inputs, but output will be only 1. Okay, so here we can create one more circuit, that is called C. Okay, now what is OR gate? OR gate return true if either of input or both input are true. If any of the input is 1, if any of the input is true, then output will be true. Okay, so here A, B, C, all input are 0, so this will be 0. What I am saying, if any input is 1, then output will be 1. Here C is 1, here C is 1, then output will be 1. Here B is 1, so output will be 1. Here B and C both are 1, then answer will be 1. Here A is 1, so output will be 1. Here A and C will be 1, output is 1. Here A and B will be 1, then output is again 1. Here all 3 are 1, then output will be 1. If any of input is 1, then output will be 0. Here I will, when output will be 0, when all the input are 0, only on that case output will be 0. Now see student, if I make diagram one more time, so it will be like that. This is our circuit and it will be like that. Okay, so to make this circuit complete, if let us suppose this is A, this is B and this is C. If I want to complete this circuit, if I join this, then the current will be flow in that manner and circuit will be completed. Now if I join that, again current will be flow like that and circuit will be completed. If I join that, then current will be flow like that and circuit will be completed. If I join either A or B or C, in all 3 cases, if any of that is connected, then output will be 1. Okay, so this is all about the OR gate. Now I will talk about the third gate, that is NOT gate. NOT gate will give us the complement output. With which output? Complement. What is the meaning of complement? Opposite. It means if input is 0, output will be 1, and if output is 1, input will be 0. It will doing opposite. Or NOT gate will take only single input and it will give us a single output. Output is always single. So it will take a single input only. If either input is 0, then output will be 1, and if input is 1, then output will be 0. Now if I give you one example, then inverter of your home work in similar fashion. When current is on, then the output of inverter is 0, and when the current is off, then inverter will be on. Okay? When current supply is on, then inverter will give output 0. When current supply gets off, then inverter will give output 1. So it is work like NOT gate. Okay, now what is the symbol of NOR gate? It will be like that. It will look like triangle, and here we will put one circle, and if it is A, then it will be A bar. Okay, symbolic, algebraic expression, it will be written like A bar or A bar. Okay, if it will be written, it will be written in that fashion. Okay, so what is NOT gate? It will give the complement output, or we can say opposite output. It will take only single input, and if input is 0, output will be 1, and if input is 1, output will be 0. The symbol of input gate is like the symbol of NOT gate is like that, and algebraic expression is like that. Okay, and the truth table will be, because it is taking the single output, then this is A bar, and this is 0, this is 1, this is 1, this is 0. ठीक है. So student, this is it for today. The next gates we will learn in our next classes. Thank you and keep learning.